Alright. Testing, 1, 2. Bersamanya saya Adlan Kaca secara live dari mana? Sorry, saya mudah blur lah. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Adlan Kaca and Kaca is my surname. And for this time, I will make a short and simple review of KitKat milk drink. Chocolate milk whatever, I don't know. Okay, as we all know, KitKats were originally selling chocolate waffle, right? But as for this one, I'm not sure when they are starting. I'm not sure when they started to sell these chocolate drinks, but as you all know, I working at 7-Eleven, and then one day this product pop out, boom, dia datang, dia ada gudang datang kan. Kalau harga di pasaran itulah 7-Eleven kan. Apa yang saya ingat harga asal RM6 something. Ya, harga di 7-Eleven Malaysia, Belas Semenanjung. Okay, so RM6 something untuk sebanyak 280 ml. Tapi masa saya beli ni dalam weekend 6 hari bulan Jun, dia adalah diskaun sikit kan. So after diskaun RM4.50. RM4.50 untuk sebanyak 280 ml, in which to me personally, pendapat saya secara pribadi lah, ini masih lagi terasa macam mahal sikit lah kan. Expensive. But who am I to judge? Who am I to say? I'm just orang kuliah kata. Okay, so let's get started with this product. Kita goncang dulu agar skala susu coklat yang ada ni dia jadi apa tu? Balance. Dia tak adalah macam korang faham maksud saya kan. Okay, so bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The smell. I don't know why. Korang bayangkan. Okay. Ni apa yang saya sedar lah untuk bahasa ni kan. Bayangkan KitKat punya coklat waffle tu. Okay, bayangkan coklat waffle diorang tu, diorang hancurkan, kemudian diorang blend dengan dengan susu apa. Itu yang saya dapat lah. Ada bau air coklat yang campur dengan waffle. Bayangkan air coklat, lepas tu diorang ambil waffle tu dihancur-hancurkan, campur. Bau tu macam tu lah. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One more. So lighting tak berapa elok sangat. Not bad. Creamy. Okay, first thing first, just like what we all expect in chocolate drinks. Of course, we expect this the taste of the chocolate itself, the taste of milk itself, and maybe we expect a little bit sweetness in it. But that is our default setting in chocolate drinks. But in this particular KitKat chocolate drinks product itself, I would say okay, nice. It's got its own sweetness, creaminess, creamy. Yeah, and then, but I don't know why. To me personally, it feels something missing. It's not thick enough, you know. Okay, ni pendapat saya secara peribadi. Bayangkan air Milo, kan? Air Milo dia punya rasa coklat macam air Milo yang diorang punya kotak, air botol kan. Dia punya kepekatan coklat tu kurang sikit. Itulah dia KitKat. Ni pendapat saya secara peribadi lah. Saya bukan nak condemn sesiapa. Saya bukan nak condemn mana-mana syarikat apa. Cuma, as a customer feedback, That's the thing. So my personal opinion, overall KitKat is okay, nice. The drink, okay. Nak buat rasa-rasa tu okay lah, nice lah. Overall saya boleh bagi ni my personal rating Overall I can give up to 6.7 Yes. Macam saya cakap, katakan dah buat rasa-rasa tu okey lah. And at least mungkin syarikat Milo ada kompetitor dia sendiri. Tapi kalau nak kata syarikat pun tak juga. Sebab Milo dengan KitKat bawa Nestle kan. So dua brand ni macam kompetitor lah. Berlawa sikit. Alright, so basically itulah. I would say there's nothing much difference from Milo. There's a little bit difference. So basically your choice lah, nak beli Milo ke KitKat ke. The main point what I say, kalau nak fokus pada rasa coklat tu, saya boleh kata Milo. Tapi kalau takkan nak buat rasa-rasa je, KitKat pun okay lah, no problem lah. Alright, so that's all from my personal opinion about KitKat chocolate drinks. Okay, acceptable. Alright, peace out and sorry for this not so interesting video, and okay, bye bye. Assalamualaikum.